This short, steep pass is located 7 kilometers northwest of Lelyfontein and 14 kilometers east-southeast of Kamiskroon on a minor gravel road, the P2943, in a mountainous part of Namaqualand, and is a prime flower spotting zone. At just 1.4 kilometers, the pass is fairly short, but it does climb 96 vertical meters, producing a stiff average gradient of 1 in 14, with the steepest parts being just before the summit, where things do get as steep as 1 in 5. During wet weather, light front-wheel drive cars will experience traction issues here, but at all other times of the year the pass is suitable for all vehicles. We filmed this pass from north to south. The pass starts at an intersection where a gravel road leads away to the right. It starts climbing steeply through a series of gentle S-bends into the south-southeast, then reaches a fairly sharp left-hand bend at the 0.6 kilometer point, which changes the heading into the southeast. Just after this left-hand bend, the gradient ramps up to a very stiff 1 in 5. This section of the road is often muddy and slippery in wet weather. The summit point of 1,194 meters is reached at the 1 kilometer mark, which is a blind rise. Keep well to the left-hand side of the road in case of oncoming traffic. Immediately after cresting the summit, a new vista opens up of a long mountain plateau with the road snaking away into the distance. If you look to your left, you'll see a tall mountain with a summit height of 1,461 meters, which is named Hurunggatkop. The pass ends at the 1.4 kilometer mark at an altitude of 1,172 meters at the lowest point on the plateau.